Jaden boy is showing the.
So, is that you guys?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Also, look at the wheels.
Show him. So,
Yeah, do you want to do a video?
you wanna do that?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. What do you have here, brother?
Alright, so Zeus 4x4, we're a Melbourne-based 4x4 company. We specialise in all sorts of 4x4 accessories such as our canopies, our bull bars, our side steps and our roof racks and our X-trays. We'll start with our roof racks, our canopies. So this is our goat tub rack. It's perfect for cars that you want something that's out there but still provides all the sources that you need to get around. You can open this up. You've got
Wow.
storage units in here where you can place all of your
Sweet.
tools, toolkits, XYZ. However, what's special about it is it's an accessory tray. Take them, they're yours. You can remove this and replace it with another
Look
style.
at stickers.
That's our other style there on the wall.
Yes.
It's very narrow.
Yes.
You can mount jerry cans.
Really?
You can mount tools on the side. There's a fire extinguisher there. But also, very easy to mount stuff. Obviously,
Yes.
you just open this, take it off, screws here.
Ah.
This is a light bar, it lights up.
Yes.
But also, it's adjustable height. Every product we make is vehicle specific, so it's perfect for each car. This lines up with the roof and the full length. However, you can actually lift this one up to have it higher. Say if you want to go camping, have a tent on the top, you want the height, you can do that.
Wow.
It also comes with a table. So you open this comes down, and that table comes out. And this leads into our X-tray. So our X-tray is one of my favorite items that we sell. It's a pull-out system that you can actually remove. So say you're going camping, take this out. You have all your camping accessories, and once you're done, you can put it back in.
And you can put something on top as a bed.
500 kilograms. Is the weight.
500
You can
kilograms.
put 500 kilograms on top of it.
Even if it is fully.
Fully extend, 500 kilograms.
No way.
Yeah, we've tested it. Fully tested and everything. It's also vehicle specific, as I said. Factory mounting points, so it takes up as much space as it can. You can see it's mounted at
What
the back.
about my fridge and things like that?
Yeah, you can put
Where will I put
Can I
them?
sit on it?
You can put the fridge here. You can put your camping accessories and you can pull it out. Or you just use it when you need it, and if you're done, you can just take this off. It's removable. This comes out, and you can remove it if you need the more space, or you can just unscrew it, take it off completely, and put it back on when you need it. 500 kilograms is the weight capacity of this thing. So really,
So to set this one up all together, how much are they looking at?
so you're looking at about 3,500 for the, 1,400 for the canopy, and
When you say canopy, this whole thing,
this whole thing,
1,400.
1,400 for the entire thing, and this pull-out system is $990 for the
Oh,
pull-out system.
not bad.
But we also sell other stuff as well. This,
Yes.
I'll talk about the bull bar. This is my favorite item.
Wow. Bulba.
Bull bar. 63mm structural steel all the way around, including the loops. Some cars you can option them in without the loops. 3mm structural steel all the way around, and 5mm structural steel around the winch plate. This is the winch plate here. You can mount your spotlights here, your antennas here, and obviously it's fully ADR approved in Australia, which means Australian design recommendations and standards.
Wow.
5 light DRLs.
So how long you've been in the business?
So this isn't my business, however, we've been around for 8 months.
8 months.
8 months. This is relatively new.
Yes.
We're
yes.
Melbourne based, however, we have dealerships and people
Yes.
that sell and do our products.
Really? So where can they find you?
So you can find us at zeus4x4.com
Yep.
or check out our Instagram at zeus4x4.
Perfect. You should be here, huh?
Yes,
Thank you.
definitely.
Thank you. Thank you.